Question number 4. Sa mga singers. Maraming singers dito sa Pilipinas. Sino sa tingin mo ang maaaring maging Kim sa Miss Saigon sa, ano daw? Pabibilibin din ang buong mundo gaya mo. Na pabibilibin din ang buong mundo.
Gumagaling Tagalog mo.
Tagalog.
I think there are quite a few na, because for example, for something like Miss Saigon, it's very specific.
Sige,
you have to be a 17-year-old or something that can get away. I have a couple in my mind who are popular, who come to people like Sarah Geronimo, people like Rachel Ann Go.
Yes.
Those two.
You know what?
Because they're gorgeous and they sing amazing.
Yes, I agree. Yes, and they're both my friends.
In my arms, you acting as little as you can. Little snippet of a little man. I know I'd give my life for you. You're not hurt again. I swear I give my life for you. I've tasted love beyond all fear, and you should know it's a love that brought you here. And in one perfect time, when the stars were like you, I knew what I must do. I'll give you the things I'll never wrong. I'll give you a voice to conquer when you're You'll be who you want to be. As long as you can have yourself, I swear I'll give my life for you. No one can stop what I must do. I swear I'll give my life for you.
Tuloy-tuloy ang kanyang paglipad.
Sunlight and high moon, joined by the thoughts of fortune. Midnight and high noon, sharing the sky.
We come so far.
Outside, day starts to dawn.
Your moon still floats on high.
The birds away,
The stars shine too.
the hands that shake.
I reach for you.
And we meet in the sky. him. And although I know that he is mine, still I say there's a way for us. I love him, but when the night is over, he's gone. The river's just a river. Without him, the world around me changes. The trees are barren everywhere, the streets are full of strangers. Mahal ko ngayong siya'y wala na. Puso ko'y magpapanggap na lamang. Without me, his world will go on turning. A world that's full of happiness that I have never known. I love I love Ngunit sa